Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As announced by the Honourable Prime Minister a couple of days ago, those confinement measures actually have been put in place. Those confinement measures are actually working well. Of course, there have been the initial period where some people who were tried to sort of test the confinement boundaries that have been put in place. But as has been highlighted, a number of measures have been put in place, including food security. We have AMA that's moved in. They're buying fruits, vegetables, root crops, etc., to ensure that the people living within the confined space are able to access those food items. And as far as we are concerned, as highlighted by the Honourable Prime Minister, these measures are very, very critically important. As we've already seen, we now have the second case of COVID-19 confirmed. So we all need to realize that there needs to be a particular level of seriousness and in particular adherence to these confinement measures that have actually been put in place.